Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Cookwithrayo. In today's video, I'm gonna be filming how to make this delicious squid ink spaghetti. It is so delicious, guys, and you need to try it out. I'm making it with some chicken. You can make it with shrimp or any protein of your choice. So stay tuned while we dive into the video. So for my recipe, I'm using some chicken pepper blend mix, pepper liquid, diced onion, turkey stock, minced garlic, some thyme, curry, all-purpose seasoning, bay leaf, seasoning cubes, vegetable oil, salt, and squid ink spaghetti. You can check the description box for the full details on the ingredients, okay? So I'm gonna start by adding my oil into my cooking pot, then let it heating up a bit. Then I'm gonna be adding my diced onion, stir it well to combine. Then I'm going to be adding my minced garlic. Okay, so we'll let it saute for about 1 minute or 1.5 minutes, and then we are going to be adding our bay leaves, then the rest of the spice, and let it fry for another 1 minute just to wake up this fry and the spice. And then we are going to be adding our chicken and let it fry for 5 minutes as well until it's cooked. You will notice when it changed the color and it's firm. Okay, so we are going to stir it well, and then we will go ahead and add our pepper blend mix. Okay, so we're gonna stir it well again to combine. Then I'm going to be adding my chicken and my turkey stock. You can use any stock of your choice, it's up to you. Then I'm gonna stir fry it together and let it fry, and let us fry for about 1 minute. So once it's fried, I'm going to be adding my water extracted. This was just the water I get from the pepper blend. When I blend it in a blender, I sieve it and then I keep the water aside. Then I'm gonna be adding some seasoning and salt if needed. Then stir it well to combine. Then I'm gonna be adding the spaghetti. Okay, so once it's soft, we're going to add some more water just to make sure it has enough water that we cook it. And then I'm going to cover it on a low heat and let it cook for about 8 minutes. And this is how my pasta is looking after 8 minutes of cooking. Okay, it's so easy to make, guys. It's just straightforward. I like the fact that I just have to add everything and then put everything together. It is so delicious. You're going to love it. So see what it's looking like, and the aroma is a top notch. So guys, our pasta is ready to serve. I hope you enjoy watching it just like I enjoy filming this recipe. So if you haven't subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give me thumbs up. Tell me what you think about it in the comment section. Love you guys. Bye.